Do you think your phone's touch screen isn't responding properly? You can quickly test it using Samsung built-in Phone Diagnostic. Let me show you how. First, open Setting, scroll down and tap Device Care. Scroll down the screen. Under the Additional Care section, tap Diagnostic. Then tap Phone Diagnostic. Here, find and tap Touchscreen. If this is your first time running the test, your phone will start checking automatically. If you have tested it before, you will see the previous result instead. Simply tap Test again to run a new test. A pop-up will explain how to test works. Tap OK to begin. Now, drag your finger across the screen to fill every square. You can also use multiple fingers at the same time to complete the test faster. Once all the squares are filled, the test finishes automatically, which means your touchscreen is working properly and the result will show normal. However, if a problem is detected, you can tap Request a Repair button and then follow the on-screen instruction. And that's how to test the touchscreen on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.